Hello, everyone. I'm Vincent White. I'm an employment attorney, and I have two, not one, but two hot takes on the confirmation hearings for Amy Coney Barrett. Um, Let me get out of the way first. The first hot take: do I think she will be good for advancing my goals in terms of the rights of employees and the rights to be free from discrimination in the workplace and things of that nature? No, no, I don't think she's ideal. I don't um, think she'll be ideal for our practice or our efforts to help employees. She would not, of course, be my pick. Not that anyone asked, right? That being said, and let me give the caveat, she might actually be great for religious discrimination claims. She seems to have some very strong religious feelings and faith, and she may take steps to protect some religious discrimination claims, expand them further, for all I know, right? Also, in me saying that, it's almost an act of religious discrimination. I'm kind of saying just because she's religious, she might help religious people, and that's an assumption I probably shouldn't jump to, right? So maybe I should check myself on that. Now, hot take two: everybody just needs to shut up about the notes. The notes are not a thing, right? If you don't know, the conservatives are really excited that she doesn't have notes. Oh my God, she's so professional, so knowledgeable. She's a legal genius. It's all in her head. The leftists, the liberals, are like, oh, she's not prepared. It's horrible. She's treating this whole thing like a farce. She's only been a judge for 3 years. How she can't possibly have this all in her head? It's irresponsible, and she's just counting on being just put through for political reasons and doesn't care about this process at all. Yeah, you're all morons. You're all actively idiots for saying these things. There's a huge school of litigation attorneys who believe if they memorize the underlying principles, the underlying case law, not all the cases, a few key cases, right? If they have those items in their head to select from as needed, when they're facing a hot bench, in our industry, a hot bench is just a bench of judges firing questions at you. Here, in the confirmation hearings, you have politicians firing questions at you, so it's basically the same thing. All these attorneys who ascribe to this school of thought, they feel that they are more conversational with the hot bench. They feel that as questions are being fired at them, they can listen more attentively and so respond to the actual question effectively, accurately, in perhaps a more general way, right? But it's going to make for a better argument and a better mode of communication, and I suspect that is what she's doing. Now, this argument that she's only been a judge for 3 years, stop. She clerked for Scalia. She's not new to the game. What are you doing? Stop. I don't like her. I not my pick. She's not incompetent. You can't call her incompetent. When you call her incompetent, you sound like a crazy person. Okay? Why don't you oppose her on the things that you can actually oppose her on, which I think are very legitimate. I think there are very legitimate things you can take issue with this individual. The notes aren't one of them, nor are they proof of her genius. It's just a thing that people do because they think it helps them. All right. Told you they were hot takes. Take care.